How to turn off maps on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off maps on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down to the section labeled as Who Can See Your Content. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as Story, Live and Location. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, just tap on location sharing option. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear. In that menu, you can just select to no one, and here from the another pop-up menu, simply choose until you turn it back on. And once you do that, this will fully disable map and location sharing option. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.